our desert turns white for a little while in the early summer because of all the shedding and all the combing we have to do. And this, believe it or not, is just out of one dog. Let's see if we can go find him. Hey, Floofer, come here. There he is. Floofer, come here. Go. Hey. Come here, Floof. Come on. He's ignoring me because he's not happy with me right now. Come here. I think he feels a lot better though. Hey. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Try to brush him on windy days so it tries to take a lot of the floof off with him, fly into the air and get distributed in the wildlife. Sade, come here. Come here. Hey, come here, puppy. Just like huskies, they're gonna ignore me.